For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Prime Minister Modi congratulated Vladimir Putin for successful completion of the vote on constitutional amendments in Russia. A few days earlier, Russian voters have approved changes to the constitution that would allow Putin to hold power until 2036. In a telephonic conversation, Modi also congratulated on the success of the 75th anniversary celebrations of the victory in the Second World War. MEA released a statement and said that the leaders took note of measures taken by both the countries to address consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic. The leaders took note of the effective measures undertaken by the two countries to address the negative consequences of the COVID-19 global pandemic and agreed on the importance of closer India-Russia ties for jointly addressing the challenges of the post-COVID world. The two leaders agreed to maintain the momentum of bilateral contracts and consultations. Modi had earlier tweeted that India stands with Russia in solemn remembrance of the 75th anniversary of Victory Day.
India stands with Russia in solemn remembrance today on the 75th anniversary of Victory Day. Tens of thousands of Indian soldiers also made a supreme sacrifice in the Second World War. My warm greetings to President Putin and the Russian people on this occasion.
India and Russia are among the top 5 worst affected countries in the world. India has reported 606,907 COVID-19 cases with 17,860 COVID-19 deaths. Russia has reported 661,165 COVID-19 cases with 9,683 COVID-19 deaths. India's COVID-19 fatality rate is almost twice as much as Russia. India's COVID-19 cases are expected to surge past Russia's in another 2 days. Modi also expressed his keenness to welcome Putin to the annual bilateral summit that will be held in India this year. President Putin thanked Prime Minister Modi for the phone call and assured his commitment to strengthen partnership between two countries. The Modi-Putin conversation assumes great significance as it comes in the midst of India-China border tensions. Interestingly, Modi and Putin held talks on the day when India's Defence Actuation Council approved the procurement of 12 Su-30 MKIs and 21 MiG-29s. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh attended the 75th Victory Parade in Russia, which was held for 3 days. Modi said that the participation of Indian contingent in the military parade held in Moscow was a symbol of India and Russia's friendship.